Hello student. In class 7, in our earlier video, previous video, we talk about the first chapter of geography, our environment. And so during this course, we talked about environment refers to the external conditions in which organism lives. So quick review for those students who didn't watch the video perfectly. So once again, I would like to say environment refers to the external conditions in which organ lives. Geography studies the interrelationship between human beings and their environment. We also, knew about all geographical elements can be classified under two groups, the natural and human made. So the natural environment includes the biotic, abiotic components. The various changes in the environment take place due to the natural process and the human activities, and the interaction between the organism and their physical environment in a particular area is called the ecosystem. So today we have to discuss about the ecosystem. We also, knew about the major domains of the, earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, uh, uh, etc. And we also knew in detail. So today we have to know about the ecosystem. All the organisms we know, whether belonging to the plant or animal kingdoms, interact with each other and are interdependent on one another. They also interact with their physical environment. The complex system of interaction between the organism and their physical environment in a particular area is referred to as an ecosystem. Ecosystem we know it in Hindi पारिस्थितिक तंत्र. सो द ऑब्जेक्ट सभी चीज़ आप कह सकते हैं, जितने भी जीव जंतु हैं वो सब जो हैं एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं. इसलिए हम कहते हैं उसको कि द साइज ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम वैरीज ग्रेटली. इट कैन बी लार्ज एज रेन फॉरेस्ट, grasslands, deserts, lakes, river और एज स्मॉल एज पॉन्ड. यह बहुत बड़ा भी हो सकता है, छोटा भी हो सकता है, जैसे जंगल के समान हो सकता है, ग्रासलैंड की तरह, डेजर्ट की तरह, लेक्स, रिवर्स और स्मॉल पॉन्ड की तरह भी होता है. अ टिपिकल पॉन्ड इकोसिस्टम contains fish, frog, algae, water lilies, and other species that live in and around the pond. So, most of the ecosystems are complex and contain thousands of interacting species. These species interact with each other and also with the abiotic environment. We have already, uh, about the physical element and biotic and abiotic environment. Now we have to know about the human environment. Human beings are part of the environment, and I think the human being is most important part of the environment in which they live. They are to an extent influenced by the environment. They are also able to adapt and modify the environment according to their needs with scientific and technological advancement. They have succeeded in controlling and dominating nature. The interaction of human beings with the environment is complex in nature. It varies from place to place and from time to time. ये अलग अलग होते हैं, समय से समय समय पर दूसरा हो जाता है, जगह भी बदलने पर दूसरा हो जाता है. सो ये ह्यूमन इन्वायरमेंट पर निर्भर करता है कि ह्यूमन इन्वायरमेंट कैसे, कहाँ, कब और किस तरह होता है. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बींग्स कहते होते हैं कि अर्ली ह्यूमन adjusted themselves with the surroundings in which they lived. Most of their needs were fulfilled from environmental resources. With time, the quality and quality of human needs changed. They started developing techniques and new ways to use the environment. So, in the past, humans settled in the fertile plains of the rivers, valleys to cultivated land, and they domesticated animals and learned to use fire for warmth, and protections. The invention of the wheel, surplus food production, and exchange of surplus goods with other help them to progress. Gradually, humans started processing various raw materials to meet their needs, and the industrial evolutions in Europe enabled large scale productions of goods. The means of transport and communication improved, and the world became a family. Thus, many changes took place in our environment, which were mostly due to natural process and human activity. Human is, only responsible for the development of, the environment, development of, transportation, etc., and etc. We will learn it in our next classes, like in 9 and 10 in detail. So you read the book. I am sending you the another study material, the notes, so you all have to read it. Thank you.